Well, there are people on X running theme pages, just posting tweets and making money. Now, we don't actually have that much time to write tweets, stuff like that, so I generated this workflow that generates tweets. Anyway, so let me just show you a live demo of this. Mm, let's search for Alex Hormozzi. What we're gonna do, we're gonna copy the profile URL. We are going to send it to the bot. Now we are going to give it a topic, which is going to be business. Now we just wait. We're gonna have 5 tweets over here, right over here. We got it. Success is unlocked. A system of risks taken when others freeze. Be the storm, not the showdown. It's actually quite good for AI, don't you think? So let's begin building this. Let's see how everything goes during the process. I hope you can enjoy it. Right, so we are going to be building the tweet generator. Um, Without any further ado, let's begin building. Firstly, we gotta add the Telegram node, the Telegram trigger, I mean, a message. There we go. Our Telegram account is connected. We go back, and then we are going to be putting a if node. What node? If node. Yeah, if node. Let's take something. Hey. All right. If is equal to string contains x.com, it will go to. Oh, by the way, we are going to be creating a sheet with the name tweet generator. We're gonna have 2 columns, link and topic. So we are going to be adding a Telegram mode first. Send a message. Send a message. Send a message. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Let's drag in the chat ID. Where should we keep the text? The text should be, hey, got it. What topic do you want tweets on? Perfect. Now we are going to be adding a Google Sheet node to append a row. Append row in sheet. Let's select our Google Sheet from the list, which is tweet generator. Sheet 1. There we go. So simple. So simple. And in the false branch, we are going to be adding get a row sheet. Get a row sheet. Get row sheet. Okay, same thing. Credentials. We're gonna select our tweet generator sheet from the list. By the way, just excuse if I'm going through fast because like it's 2 a.m. in the morning or night or whatever, and I'm making this video. Look at my dedication, right? Appreciate it by subscribing. Anyway, now we are going to be adding another sheet, which will be update a row. So let's search it up. Update a row. There we go. Same thing. Credentials to generator our sheet. Now we actually need data, so let's run it. Let's text. Let's share Andrew Tate's profile. We're gonna know what will happen. Okay, got it. What topic do you want? Tweets on. Perfect. Let's execute it once more. I want the topic to be dating, let's say. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, okay. My bad. I did not map it out. So that's my bad, my bad, my bad. Which it's text. We gotta put it there. Now let's execute it once more. We are gonna share Andrew Tate's Twitter profile. Now it would have been appended in the sheet. Where? No, 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 no. What happened? No, no, no. That's not what we wanted. Okay, my bad. We go to Telegram trigger, not send a text message note. So in there, we are going to have text in the link bar. Now it should be fine. Let's delete it. Let's execute it once more. Let's share Andrew Tate's profile once again. Perfect. Perfect. Let's execute it once more. We need tweets on what? Women? That's what he talks about. Andrew Tate. We got the rows. Yeah, we got the rows now. We gotta update the sheet manually. Fetching columns. Okay, we need to add one more column, which is row number. Cool. By the way, whenever you are selecting the column to match on, I would recommend row number because it's the most accurate one. If you don't select that one, then it's going to be creating a havoc, which you do not want. It's going to be updating stuff here and there, removing stuff if you leave this blank. So you definitely don't want that. Now, again, we are going to be adding a get rows node. Sometimes I feel that I have made this workflow a little bit too complicated. So I'm going to try this again in the near future and make it a little bit more concise, a little bit smaller. So every one of you can build this. By the way, you don't have to worry. I'm going to be sharing the JSON file so you can just plug and play. Hmm. Okay, get rows, get rows, get rows. What happened, bro? What happened? Oh, yeah, topic. I need the topic to be here. No, no, no. We don't need the topic to be here. We need it from the Telegram trigger. That's where we are going to be having the topic. See? Easy. Let's add one more node, which is get rows. Mm-mm-mm-mm. To generator, sheet one. Wow, cool. Books. Cool. It's working now, I think. Yeah, it's working. Perfect. Now listen, we need to add a code over here which is to make sure that we are only reading the last row, okay? So that we are not fetching all the rows because when you're going to be using this on a daily basis, there are going to be a lot of rows filled with multiple profiles and topics, which we don't want to fetch all of them. We just want to fetch the last row. So let's do that. Let's put in the code. All right, guys. So I have done the coding. Now we are going to be adding HTTP node to colon API actor. It's going to be a post method, of course. Now let's go to API. Yeah, just to be clear, let me show you which actor I'm using right now. It's this one, Tweet Scraper V2 X Tweet Scraper. Now let me show you in the store so that you guys don't get confused. Yeah, the first one. That is exactly what we're using right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to the input section, then JSON. Then we are going to copy this entire code. You know what? Before that, let's copy the endpoint. Let's copy the API endpoint. So you go to API endpoints. You scroll down. You go to this one, run actor synchronously, and get dataset items. You copy it. You paste it here. You toggle on the send body. You change it to using JSON. And then you go back there, cross, you copy this JSON file, paste it, expression, execute previous models. Now, instead of HTTPS Alex Hormozzi, we are going to be putting our link from the previous code node that we coded, inverted comma. Perfect. Let's execute the step now. Yep, we got it. We got the tweets now. Let's go back. Now, what do we add? Now we actually have to add a LLM node. To emulate this style, we are going to be adding two LLM node, one for emulating to extract the style from Andrew Tate's tweets, and then one LLM node to create tweets. So two LLM nodes. I hope you understand that. AI. We go to basic LLM chain. Perfect. Define below. Alright, so this is the prompt that we are going to be using. You are an expert social media analyst. I will give you last few tweets from a Twitter X profile, yada yada yada. We are going to be getting the full text from here. Tweets. There we go. It's the same thing. Now we are going to be recording a specific format because if we don't, then it's gonna be a chaos. It's gonna output chaos. That's it, bro. We don't want that. We are going to be adding the brain, which is 4.1 mini for now. Gonna output parser, a structured output parser. Okay, so what do we got over here? Hold on. There we have. Style summary. We don't want this kind of output, so we are going to go back, like the parser. We're gonna type style summary string, comma, go back, style rules. Okay, then straight bracket, inverted comma, string, straight bracket, curly bracket. Now I think we should be getting the output in a more organized manner. Yep, got it. So let's rename it just to avoid confusion. Style extractor. Perfect. Let's add a new LLM model. We are going to name it tweet generator. Generator. Define below. Guys, I have actually pasted the prompt over here. Yeah. Make sure you write a 3-line tweet. Each tweet should give instant value and make the mind blown away while reading. The tweet should be written in human language. So good. I think it is. Yeah, it is so good. So it's going to be expression instead of fixed. We don't want fixed. Scroll down. All right. JSON.output.style summary. It's this one, and it is this one. Style underscore rules. Requires specific output format as usual. Let's add the brain first, which is our OpenAI chat model. Let's go back to Canvas, output parser, structured output parser. Here we are going to what was the name over there? What's the problem? Topic and tweets. All right. So let's code it. Inverted comma, topics, topic, string, comma, tweets. There we go. Straight bracket, inverted comma, string, inverted comma, go back. Right. Now let's see how things work out. I think there is a problem. Yeah, you see, this is the example tweet. Yeah, we got it. This is the output. We got it. Yeah, there's no problem. But we need to separate it and make it more organized. We are going to do that with code. So let's do it without any further ado. Alright, guys, here's the code. Now we should be getting. What's the problem over there? I figured it out. It was just lowercase and uppercase. It's working now. It's giving us the text that we needed. Now we just add the Telegram node to receive text. Send a message. I'm gonna put the client ID. The text here. Seems there's something wrong. Something wrong. Let's fix that. Right, so let's, as it's saying that, there's a missing information from chat first. Okay, we got it. It's working now. It's working. So there we go. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Let's save it. Let's get it activated. Wow, it's built now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You learned something new. Learn a few debugging tricks. And don't worry, you're gonna have the whole JSON file of this workflow in the description. You can get it from Gumroad. And till then, see you.